How to register as a call center with Pakistan Software Export Board. Go to techdestination.com, click on Registration, choose Call Center option. Enter a valid email address. Enter valid CNIC. Enter valid contact number. Enter sum of numbers shown in CAPTCHA. Click Register to proceed further. A verification code is sent on your email. Check your email and enter the OTP. Click Verify. Enter your password. Confirm your password. Log into your account by using registered email and password. Click here to complete registration. Enter either owner's or one of partner's details. Enter your full name. Enter your complete address. Enter a valid email address, CNIC and cell number. Enter your organization name, contact number, website address, date of establishment, number of years of registration is required, and all the other relevant information in the form. Selection legal or corporate structure of your organization and type of call center, along with nature of it. Add information about the person of contact with PSEB. Provide information of human resources available at your organization along with office space, bandwidth provider, and revenue information. Add information of incubation center if you're incubated in any. Attach CNICs of all the directors and owners of the organization. Read declaration and check the box. Please click Submit. Now you can add information of key personnel, and you can also add information about different branches of your organization. Thank you for submitting your application.